Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm going to show you how to reinstall your harness and your Kooper seat. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your board is in and in correctly. The front has the silver hinges, the back has the black elastic. So first thing you want to do is slide it in to the back of the seat, like so. Then you're going to take your harness and start with the two upper shoulder straps. You're going to take it from the front and you're going to work it through whichever slot you want. And you're going to go through long ways. Now, you're going to want to have your hand up through the back of this to feel it come through. And guide it through. There you go. The first one's in. It's not too hard. Then you make sure you get the right one. The fabric will pop up, so sometimes you got to bring it out. Bring it back in. There we go. That one's in. Those are the two harder ones. Then you can pull it out a little bit. No, actually you don't want to do that because you're going to have to put it through, but you're going to want to feel. Coming through. There we go. There's one. Second one. All right. Then you will zip this part up and it will stay in. Then you're going to take the crotch strap as your last one. Slide it through. Pull it out. And you have reinstalled your harness on your Kooper seat.